Hi, good afternoon everyone. I am Redio Kutan, a 100 plus guider of Philippines from Carmona, Cavite. Last February 19, 2016, I provided help amounting to 2,000 pesos to current growth of 30% per month. Then, on March 8, 2016, I requested to get help amounting to 10,900 pesos. These 10,900 pesos are from my leader bonus, referral bonus, and from my current growth of 30% per month. My get help was provided by 5 participants, namely Mariano Marlin, Alegria Samuel, Vic April, Vijoy Dangli, and Marta. To these 5 participants who provided their help, thank you so much. Long live MMM, and together we change the world.